Hey guys, Keith here from Gloss Syndicate Detailing. Just finished our last job of 2020. So we've got a 2020 Toyota Camry V6. Came in for a new car protection package. Received an exterior detail, a machine polish, what we call a gloss enhancement machine polish, which is basically just to remove any minor marring or swirl marks that's present from when the car was delivered. It obviously enhances the gloss, as you can see. We then coated this car in Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light, and we also protected the interior with Gtechniq leather guard and also fabric guard as well, just to protect from stains. Highly recommended if you've got children. So no waxing now for the life of the coating. Simply wash it, dry it, and it'll look this good for years. Thanks very much. Have a great Christmas and New Year, and we'll see you again in 2021.